Yeah, so Matt wanted me to show you that I was gonna eat the scorpion on the Finca Feliz Mezcal. We tried the little bottle. Now the scorpion. Guess he would want me to. Ooh, drink a little bit of mezcal there. Guess I gotta do the scorpion, but I gotta switch this around. Gotta switcheroo. Yeah, Matt insisted that I do this. AI says not to do it, but you know, come on, AI. What does AI know? What does AI know? Pretty crunchy. Tastes like mezcal. Luckily, a little cerveza, a little Corona here. Oh, that Corona did it. Little feetsies still hanging around. Whee! Last of the little feetsies gone. All right, buddy. There you go. Finca Tellez Mezcal with the little scorpion in it. Tequila Professor coming to you from Lake Chapala. This is how we do.